if a equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, if set A equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, set B equal to 3, 5, 7, and set C equal to P, Q, R, then fill the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belong to in the blanks. So 0 dash A. So in set A we have 0, so we can write 0 belongs to A. Similarly 3 dash C. So in set C we do not have 3, so we can write 3 does not belong to set C. 4 and B. In set B we do not have the number 4, so we can write does not belong to. 8 and 8 in set A. We do not have 8 in set A, so we can write does not belong to. P in set C. We have P in set C, so we can write P belongs to C. And the last one, 7 in set P. We have number 7 in set P, so we can write 7 belongs to set P.